From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring alarm clock every morning? I know I was until I discovered the Sangean RCR-30 FM-RBDS/AM/Bluetooth/Aux-in clock radio. This thing is a game changer. With its sleek design and easy-to-use interface, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. One of the best features of the Sangean RCR-30 is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to stream your favorite music or podcasts from your phone or tablet. The sound quality is amazing, with clear and crisp tones that will make you feel like you're right in the recording studio. The device also has a smooth and responsive touchscreen, making it easy to navigate through the different modes and settings. The tactile feedback of the buttons is also very satisfying, giving you a sense of control and precision. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among consumers, and for good reason. It's incredibly versatile, with FM and AM radio, as well as Aux-in capabilities, so you can plug in your favorite devices and listen to whatever you want. I love using the Sangean RCR-30 in my bedroom. It's the perfect way to wake up in the morning, with the warm and soothing sound of the radio or my favorite music. It's also great for listening to news or podcasts before bed. The gentle glow of the display is very relaxing and helps me unwind. Overall, the Sangean RCR-30 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality clock radio. It's easy to use, sounds amazing, and has a wide range of features that make it stand out from the competition. So if you're in the market for a new clock radio, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.